so I don't want to do it. What the fuck am I doing with my life? No idea where to start. Good morning. I didn't even drink last night and I feel like shit. But that is because I didn't get home till 5 a.m. and it's like 9 right now. So I had like 3-4 hours sleep. I'm literally so dead right now. And oh my god though, I have to do story time later because last night was just so good for a sober night. I have the urge to clean my room, so that's what I'm doing. I already cleaned like this part, so like I actually can like just walk. I don't have to parkour to get from my door to my mirror. It's pretty great. The worst part is definitely like, don't look. Although I'm like, do I shower? So then I can like put my makeup and shit on and then put that away? Or do I put it away? Like, you know. But like, I'm also like, don't want to get out of these clothes. And like, then do I shower and put the clothes back on? See my dilemma? I'm having a dilemma. Alright, I'm gonna take my hair out of this high pony. You don't understand how slick I did make this. Holy shit, it is hurting my head. I don't even know how to get it down. Damn, I swear in this video I just keep getting hotter and hotter. Damn, my hair's actually not that naughty. Oh, I feel like the 5 strands of hair right now. I can't believe the freaking V8's on right now and I can't even fucking watch it. It's so fucking depressing. Stupid. I just realized that because my dad cancelled the KO, that my ex will get kicked off of it. I did shower and I put my PJs back on. Don't judge me. I no longer look hella shit. And my room is looking heaps better. And then I realized I probably should be vlogging, so there's content and I'm not just telling you. I changed my big pillows and now they're blue instead of pink and they look so pretty. I got them for Christmas or my birthday. I don't know. They're in one of the haul videos from Vlogmas. Go watch. See that little plug there? I had to pop these clothes away and then there's some clean clothes in the wash that I need to put away. This is an ish that we're just not addressing yet. I put a candle on and this is just overwhelming, so I don't want to do it. Clean, and then like this area is so much better. And then we're just also like, that's overwhelming. I can't believe I just showed you how bad my room is. And I'm here being like, oh my god, but look, there's carpet. Hi besties. Welcome to me actually gonna finish cleaning my room. Hopefully. Fingers crossed. But no, we're in March. And if anyone remembers, March last year was not good. So we need to start it off well. I don't even think that it was English. But anyways, I'm gonna clean my room. I already did start. And then I put away like my makeup. I went out last night.
So this is the lovely sour grape cruiser, amazing.
Best cruisers.
And this is why people think we're lesbian.
So I put away my makeup and shit from me getting ready last night. And then I was like, yeah, I'm done. I don't want to do it anymore. But you know what? First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get changed out of this shirt and put on. Oh my god. What the fuck am I doing with my life? We're going to go get changed into something a little... So maybe a cute fit. Make me feel productive. I don't know. Maybe I'm just stalling. So I got changed. But it's also now 8 p.m. at night. I spent the day finishing One Day on Netflix. I don't know what y'all TikTok girls are on about because I hated it. Did I cry? Yeah, the last episode is fucking sad. But like, I didn't... Ladies and gents, if you're in a situationship and you argue that much, whoo, honey. Anyways, I really need to clean because I have no sheets on my bed. Oh my god, why am I so tired? I've literally done nothing with my life today. My issue is I dead ass have no idea where to start. I will literally stand here and stare for 4 days with some music on. Alright, I can get behind this. If that doesn't tell you that my carpet needs a clean, that's actually foul. Yuck. I was literally just kneeling, as you saw, taking all the shit out of the suitcase and like sorting it into piles. Trying to figure out what to do. The suitcase is finally gone. The suitcase is from my trip to Brizzy, which I did in January. The suitcase is gone. It's out. Sitting here, it looks so much cleaner, but that's because like I'm not looking at what I just chucked on the bed. I'm just like looking at this being like, wow, carpet. But yeah, slowly losing motivation already. I've been going for 20 minutes. All right. So what the goal is at the moment, because I have no idea if I even said it, is my bed has no sheets on it, as you can see. So I need to make room around the edge of my bed so I can comfortably walk around to make my bed. Because this bed is so goddamn hard to make. This mattress, she's heavy. She's the thick boy. And that's the whole reason I did the suitcase. So now this side I could comfortably walk. But like... No, we're not showing you the other side. The other side's bad. Lol, there's an empty wine bottle on the floor. Quick little haul, because I was putting this shit away on my bed. Chuck you on a pillow. And I realized I bought shit from Kmart and I never gave you all a haul. I've actually been to Kmart twice. Both times with Sky, both times we bought shit we didn't need. First of all, did we get the Sol de Janeiro, that's how you say it, dupes? Yes, we did. I'm actually gonna try this out tonight. I got the coconut waves one, which is coconut, hazel, and vanilla. So I wanna try this out tonight. And then we got the like sun-kissed shiny stuff, and we actually mine's not open because I forgot to use it, but we used Sky's one on the weekend and it actually is really nice. I don't know if it smelled, I never smelled it, although because you put it on with your hands are fucking as shimmery as the rest of your body, and that's just something that you have to live with. Second Kmart trip that we did, we got clothes. Kmart is really popping off with their clothes. We got these bodysuits, mind you, when I say we, I mean both me and Sky, because for some reason we literally have the exact same taste in fucking everything, and we are always low-key matching. It's kind of funny. But no, I got this bodysuit, and just wait. Can you see that? That's a fully open back down with it's the fucking cutest thing ever. And then I got fucking cargo pants. Like, sorry, what? Who is she? Fucking cargo pants never fit.